What's up, friends? Okay, I've been putting off making this video for like 2 months now because honestly, I didn't want to deal with all the "this is sponsored" comments. But guys, I keep seeing my friends lose funds on these garbage crypto arbitrage bots and it's getting ridiculous. Like literally yesterday, my coworker showed me some bot he found on TikTok and I was like, bro, that's 100% a scam. So screw it, I'm just gonna show you what I actually use so at least some people don't get burned. Been messing with crypto arbitrage bots for like a year and a half. Tried probably way too many. Most were complete trash or outright scams, but eventually found one that's legit. Around 5 months back, I came across TradeSmart, and it's been the only platform that's actually worked without any shady stuff happening. Everything operates cleanly, it's transparent, no questionable behavior. So today, I'm just gonna show you how the whole thing actually operates, what crypto arbitrage is, and what the actual flow looks like. All right, so here's the main page. First thing I need to do is authenticate, so I'm clicking connect. Cool, window pops up and I'm selecting trust wallet. Just a sec. Perfect, logged in. Nice. Next, I'm choosing my preset. There's safe, optimal, and aggressive available. This sets how the bot executes arbitrage trades, my risk exposure, profit targets, and recommended capital. Just pick whatever suits your comfort level. Okay. Then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which algorithm's running all the arbitrage operations. Next is investment amount, just whatever you're comfortable with for this session. Okay, then comes network selection, depends on congestion and what the gas fees look like. So I choose whichever has lower costs or just stick with auto select. Last thing, hit start AI, which launches everything. Now, just monitoring. Gonna fast forward this part for you. All right, so a few minutes passed and I've stopped it. Here's the full breakdown. My total balance, profits made, trades executed, win rate percentage, and session time. There's also a console displaying every action the bot took during that run. So yeah, this should demonstrate how legitimate and effective this arbitrage tech is. So now I just gotta select the currency and put in my address. One moment. All right, now I'm hitting confirm withdrawal. Okay, processing. Good, tokens heading to my wallet. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those to appear in my balance, let me tell you what I went through and why this is genuinely the only arbitrage platform worth using.
The main thing is, TradeSmart lets you see the actual transactions happening on-chain through the console. You can verify each arbitrage trade actually occurred, which exchanges were involved, the exact profit from each opportunity. That transparency exists because the trades are real. And here's what really matters. The arbitrage opportunities it finds actually make sense when you check market conditions. I've cross-referenced the trades with actual exchange prices and the spreads exist. Scam platforms show arbitrage that doesn't align with real market data because they're making it up. Also, the non-custodial design is critical. My funds stay in my wallet, which means even if the platform went offline tomorrow, my crypto is still mine. That scam I mentioned held everyone's funds, and when they disappeared, everyone lost everything. Can't happen here.
And something I noticed, the platform doesn't promise unrealistic returns. Scam arbitrage bots claim you'll make 50 to 80% daily, which is mathematically impossible to sustain. This shows realistic gains that match what's actually achievable through arbitrage, some days better than others depending on market volatility. Anyway, if you're done getting scammed by fake arbitrage platforms and you want something that's actually real, I've been exactly where you are. TradeSmart link is in the description and I'll pin it in the comments. Not trying to sell you on anything, literally just sharing what works so you don't waste money like I did. If this saved you from a scam, cool, drop a like, subscribe if you want more honest stuff, and yeah, comment below if you've tried other arbitrage bots. Later, guys.